Welcome to Uptown Girl Headwear. I'm going to show you how to tie a 10-way tie scarf, 10-way tie head wrap. Okay, you see you have the two long ties. You should cross them at the back to get a more secure fit. And then you can bring them, or you can knot them at the back. And we just want to show you a few good ways to tie this. So they can be brought, let's just pull this out, yeah. Or it could be left in if you want short. Okay, so you can bring them up above on top of your head and then just bring them down again. And that could be tied like that. Or you could do a bow on the side. Or you could open them out again and do a bow on the side like that, either with a piece at the front or coming round the back and doing the bow at the side, as in the bow on the side of the neck. Another thing you can do, which is really cool, is a bun at the back. So you would just take the two long ties. This is a nice soft knit material. Some of our fabrics are 100% cotton. We have organic, we have bamboo fabrics. Our headscarves are made of lots of good, luxurious, comfortable, soft fabrics. Thank you from Uptown Girl Headwear.